The Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. Then the mightiest of the gods addressed all the victorious ones of the 10 directions with these words: Kye, the victorious ones who travel through the 3 times, are said to fulfill the wishes of everyone, but they teach the vehicles that require seeking to be final. Please speak on the instantaneous vehicle for yogins who are trained in non-seeking. Then all the Buddhas of the 10 directions proclaimed these words to Vajra, the great Vajrasattva. Kye ma, great Vajrasattva, you hold the Vajra of the bodies, speech, and minds of all the Buddhas of the 3 times. You are the Lord of all the victorious ones. Please use your naturally uncontrived compassion to explain the transmission of this effortless perfection. Then a Vajrasattva, who was an emanation of wisdom, emerged from out of glorious Vajrasattva's dominion of the Dharma to grant the empowerment of the 5-pointed Vajra. He proclaimed these words: You hold the treasure of the wheel of the secrets of all the Buddhas of the 3 times. You hold the secrets of their bodies, speech, and minds. You are a lion among speakers. Please speak on the spontaneously achieved vehicle for people who are trained in non-seeking. Then Sattva Vajra proclaimed these words: Vajra of the secret mantra, the magnificent sky is not in the domain of words. Talking about it will not bring understanding. It is extremely difficult to argue about it, saying this. However, this place is full with vow keepers. Use the compassionate blessings of the Buddha to elaborate on it through the portals of words, so that they may meet with the significance of the symbols and understand them. Then Vajrasattva addressed the Tathagata named Unshakable, who was comprehensively teaching his own retinue the significance of the unsought mind in the eastern dominion of the world called Truly Joyous, with these words: The base is itself a self-occurring Vajra, so how could there be the delusion that there is an escape from it? The Tathagata Unshakable proclaimed these words: The base is itself self-occurring wisdom. It was not born and will not be destroyed. It is free from joining or separation like the sky. Use this to teach the way of enlightenment. Then Sattva Vajra addressed the Tathagata truly high in the world to the south called Glorious with these words: How does the real perfection of the all-good which occurs by itself fulfill innumerable wishes? The Tathagata truly high proclaimed these words: The reality that dawns from itself is like the rays of the sun or like a jewel. It is spontaneously perfected from the primordial without any acquisition. It neither goes nor comes, for it encompasses all things. Use this to teach the way of enlightenment. Then again, Sattva Vajra addressed the Buddha unattached lotus in a place called Lotus Mound in the world to the west, with these words: Is this heart essence of self-occurring purity stained or unstained by ignorance, taking in and holding on, delusion in samsara, karma, and habitual patterns? The Tathagata spoke these words: Self-occurring wisdom is pure from the beginning. It is free from habitual patterns, even those of the 5 inexpiables. Just like a lotus is free from mud, use this to teach the way of enlightenment. Then Sattva Vajra addressed the Tathagata total success in the world called total success to the north with these words: How is the apparent world, both internal and external, built upon the spontaneously formed activity of the base itself? The Tathagata proclaimed these words: Blessings from spontaneously formed bliss waves pervade the 10 directions without any search. Use this to teach the way of enlightenment that is everyone's treasure and is not kept anywhere in the 10 directions.